do oven roasted Brussels sprouts so they get nice and crispy. Show how easy it is. I did a similar thing with broccoli, but it's the same method. Okay. It's the easiest way to peel them. These are huge Brussels sprouts, so I'm actually going to quarter them. So I cut them in half, and now again, cutting right through the stem so they stay intact. Now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon or so of kosher salt. A little too much. And some olive oil. Then you wanna massage it so it really gets in there. And this is how it's gonna get nice and crispy. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. Make sure that there's a little bit of free space. Okay. So it's been about 20 minutes. I'm gonna check it. Getting close. Some of it you can tell is browning. I'm gonna shake it. Give it a few more minutes. Okay, so it's been about 25 minutes. It smells ready. Looks ready, nice and crispy.